Use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression. A rational expression is the ratio of two polynomials, where the polynomial in the denominator cannot be zero. To use polynomial long division to simplify this rational expression, divide the numerator by the denominator. We'll use this template to do the long division. The numerator, or dividend, goes here, so we write x squared plus 4x plus 3. The denominator, or divisor, goes here, so we write x plus 1. The dividend is of degree 2, and the divisor is of degree 1. To match this leading term, we multiply the divisor by x. So we get x times x plus 1 and write x squared plus x. And we subtract this product from the dividend to get the x squared terms drop off. 4x minus x equals 3x. And then we drop down this term. To match this leading term, we multiply this expression by 3. So 3 times x plus 1 is 3x plus 3. And we subtract this from this, since they are identical terms, we get 0. Since there is no remainder, the simplified form of this expression is equal to this term here. So we get x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by the expression x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3.